The state of Maharashtra continues to remain the worst impacted by COVID-19. On Friday, 1,089 new cases, 37 deaths were reported. The total cases have now crossed the 19,000 mark. Mumbai alone has over 12,000 cases. When asked whether the army should be deployed in Mumbai, Chief Minister Thackeray has said that every individual is a soldier in the corona battle. There is no need for the army. Meanwhile, politics has erupted over removal of BMC Commissioner Praveen Pardeshi. He's now been replaced by IAS officer Iqbal Chahal. The BMC has been under criticism from various quarters for not being able to contain COVID crisis in the city. This transfer is coming in 24 hours after central team headed by Lava Agarwal visited Mumbai. BJP slammed Uddhav government over the move, called it an attempt by the government to hide failures.
आणि मी तुम्हाला पहिल्या माझ्या भेटीतच सांगितलेलं आहे की ही जी लढाई आहे ह्याच्यामध्ये जवान आपण सगळे जण आहात. ते जे जवान आहेत ते सरहद्द सांभाळतात, पण हे जे युद्ध आहे हे आपल्याला लढायचं आहे आणि तसं तुम्ही ते लढतात. संयमाच्या आणि जिद्दीच्या जोरावरती लढतात. लष्कराची आवश्यकता नाहीये. लष्कर मुंबईत येणार नाही.
Fateh is now joining us for the very latest. Pankaj, while you will have the opposition hitting out at the government, what has been the government's reason in transferring the BMC commissioner? Does the Uddhav Thackeray government feel that the newly appointed IAS officer Iqbal Chahal is better equipped?
Well, Chati, there is no official word that has been given out by the government as to what was the reason why they brought about the transfer at this point of time. But as we were discussing, now opinions are clearly divided, whereas the opposition and many other quarters clearly maintained at this critical hour, this transfer wasn't very necessary. But then in the sources in the government say that it was very important that the numbers, rising numbers be arrested. And as such, this was a corrective measure that has been taken by the Uddhav Thackeray government. Now, the task is clearly cut out for the new BMC chief. If he is successful in arresting the rising numbers, then he is going to be praised. Otherwise, his efficiency will be questioned. Secondly, if he is not successful in his new mission, then the question mark will also be raised on the Uddhav Thackeray government. Because the opposition is clearly saying that the previous BMC chief was made the scapegoat, whereas the government at this point of time is not taking the responsibility. In fact, senior BJP leader Kirit Somaiya has also pointed out that why isn't Aditya Thackeray taking responsibility in the Worli area, which was one of the worst affected areas, and transferring the blame to the previous BMC chief. Now it remains to be seen as to what new policies are going to be implemented on ground zero, because the situation is getting very serious. Already the number of cases in Mumbai has crossed the 12,000 mark, which is very serious. Uddhav Thackeray, the chief minister himself, said that they have not been successful in breaking the chain as of now, and a lot needs to be done. So now the focus remains on the new BMC chief as to what magical wand he has at this point of time, what new policies he's going to implement. We are hearing through our sources at 12 noon today, as his first task, he is going to visit Dharavi. So his second day in office, because he took the charge yesterday itself, and all eyes are going to be on the new BMC chief now.
Absolutely. All eyes on the new BMC chief. Thanks, Pankaj, for getting us those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.